When the packages arrived, my husband said, "Happy Thanksgiving! Merry Christmas! Happy Anniversary! Happy Birthday!" What? No more unboxing till 2022? Hello everyone! If you're returning, welcome back. If you're new here, welcome. Thank you all for joining. I'm Arlene and you're on my Chic Purse channel. If you like luxury handbags and travel, I'm inviting you to join my YouTube family and follow me on Instagram at my Chic Purse. And don't forget to hit that bell button. Let's jump into the unboxing, starting with this Dior package. Look at this packaging, you guys. I love the gold detail on the ribbon. So elegant. Are you like me, keeping all the ribbons? I can actually reuse this on my hair, as a tie, as a bow. And look at those stars. I'm loving that holiday vibe. Since we are on lockdown, all items in this video I ordered online. And this is just the receipt. I got myself a Dior lip balm. I've been looking for a mask-approved lippy but not too heavy wearing, so I found this lip balm in matte with my name engraved on the case. Engraving is free, by the way. If you're looking for a personalized gift, this is it. This lip balm is not the typical glossy lip balm, so I'm hoping this is mask-approved. It's their matte line. There are only two matte colors on this one, the light pink and the raspberry. I got the raspberry for some pop of color. First time I'm gonna use this, so we'll see. I'll give you an update in the coming videos. Have you tried this? Is it hydrating? Is it mask approved? Comment down below. I'd love to hear from you. Next is the small box. It has no gift card, just the ribbon, and I'm okay with it. And this is the key pouch in the monogram canvas. This monogram print is very hard to find. Who else here is still on the website stocking this monogram key pouch? Actually, the reason why I ended up buying the damier graphite for myself and the damier eben for my giveaway was because monogram was very hard to find. And when a hard to find piece pops up, even if you don't need it, you don't think twice, you just buy it right away. Hard to find pieces are always easy to sell if you don't need it. Monogram comes in gold hardware, while the damier graphite is in silver hardware. There you go. And this is made in France. Next up is this medium box. Any idea what's in this box? It comes with a gift card and a ribbon and this magnetic box. Is it a bag? And this is just the receipt. This is the Pochette Kirigami in the monogram print. I'll just read what the website says. The Pochette Kirigami is a 3-in-1 bag with 3 individual sleeves that fit into each other like a Russian matryoshka or Russian nesting dolls. This is made in France, but I don't think it's showing on the camera. The large size comes in this pretty pink color. I think it's called the rose ballerine color. Just one compartment, no pockets, and it's made of cowhide leather lining. Next is the medium size with the red interior lining. Now it's more visible. Can you see? It's made in France. And the smallest and the cutest is this guy with a fuchsia interior lining. This medium-sized envelope was the reason why I bought this Kirigami set. According to one of the YouTubers who did a review on this Kirigami, it can hold up to 5 passports. I'm a mom and a wife, and whenever my whole family goes on a trip, I'm their passport holder. Literally, the holder of everyone's passport. Shout out to all mommies out there watching. Guess that's what mommies are for, right? And it's happening very soon because we are getting ready to leave Germany to move back to Florida to retire. Yes, we are retirees. So the large can fit a mini iPad according to the website, the medium for passports, and the small is for credit cards. I'll make a separate what fits video to show you how I plan to use this Kirigami set. But basically, for now, this is for our air travels. And down to the last and most exciting box. I'm not good at verbal expression when I'm excited, but trust me, I'm excited. And I'm happy. It comes with this holiday card, which is more festive than the usual yellow card. Comes with this blue ribbon and this magnetic box. SLG or bag? I think you know already. Dun, 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 dun. This is the Alma BB in black epi leather. I have never seen this in person. First time to see this and late to join the Alma BB club. Now I understand why Francesca loves her Alma BBs. Hello Francesca! Look at her size compared to Palm Springs Mini. She's so cute and freakingly small. I suppose these are the keys. Yes, the keys are in this cassette. Let me just go over it quickly because this is a true unboxing. Just want to make sure this bag is a keeper. She's adorable. If you're thinking of buying the Alma BB, highly recommend. I would say I've achieved my first piece with Louis Vuitton with this bag. I'm so ready to explore another fashion house. Don't tell my husband. Guess that's all I have for you today. If you enjoyed my unboxing, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't already, and hit that notification bell so you'd be notified every time I upload a new video. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you on the next one. Stay safe. Bye.